Hi friends, I have a very special person with me today. That is Ashish, who is from Pune, and he is a Guinness World Record holder for running maximum marathons.
Right.
And I think that happened in your 50th birthday.
Yes.
Okay, so today he launched an initiative where on the 76th independence of India, he is going to run 76,000 kilometers and will complete with 76 days.
Now, the idea is basically that I'll be running for 76 days to celebrate 76th year of independence. But this is not an individual task. More than my run, my main focus is on the people, community run, because on behalf of all my friends, I've taken a target of cumulatively, all of us will achieve a target of 76 lakhs kilometers.
76 lakhs, yeah.
Right. My run is going to be individual run, where I'll be running about 4,000 kilometers. But the main focus is to achieve a target of 76 lakhs kilometers on 15th of August to celebrate 76th year of independence.
That's amazing. I was thinking 76,000 friends, it is not 76 lakhs. And I think that is where even the industry comes in, and we have Vrishal Fadnis with us, who is the managing director of Losma India. We will come to that. So you took India's flag at many international ultra marathon events. Can you just share me about, why fitness is very important?
Fitness actually is the big word. Okay, so I've been doing all extreme activities because I love to do that. But according to me, fitness is like everybody should get up in the morning, early morning. Small things. It's not a very big thing what they should do. We have to live for today. Very, very important. Most of the time, we either think about the past or we think about the future. I feel we should think about today. If I feel like doing something, I must start today. It can be any hobby. A person should follow his hobby, follow his dreams, and for that, he has to be fit. It can be any hobby. If he's not fit enough, then he can't enjoy this hobby. So that's why fitness is important, to enjoy his life. So when you do your fitness in the morning time, you spend about say 30 minutes or 1 hour in the morning about fitness, your perception towards life changes. Your approach towards life becomes better. You feel that everything is nice, everything is good in this world. And when you feel that way, you want to do something, you want to achieve something. And then everything becomes better and better. So, a small example, when you have 10 things to do in a day, you do all 10 things. But when you don't have just one thing to do, then probably you always say, "Arey, bahut time hai yaar, baad mein karte hain, sham ko karte hain." And then probably you end up doing nothing. So I think you must keep yourself busy, do some workout in the morning, and then the day goes really well.
Now, your initiative, which is called Low to High, what that mean?
Low to high, basically, when you feel low, everybody feels low at some point in their life. Usually we get very depressed and we feel that this is going to be permanent for me. But believe me, it is not a permanent affair. When anybody gets into his low, I'm sure there is a high which is coming up. Only thing, you need to look at that high and work toward that high. When you work towards that high, you must enjoy that journey towards that high. And when you enjoy the journey, you start enjoying the pain of that activity, and then it becomes easier. When you enjoy your pain, then the small things remain small, they don't become big. And that's how you enjoy your journey, and then the destination is always a good destination.
And I think, today coming here, I belong to Kerala.
Oh, wow.
But I never knew Kuttanad had this, that minus 2.7 meter lowest sea level. I never knew that. So I learned that. So he's going to start from 1st of June.
1st of June, yes.
From Kuttanad, Kerala. And on 15th August, he'll be finishing it in
Umling.
Right.
That's the highest motorable road in the world.
That is amazing, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
And
Thank you very
I'm
much.
sure your initiative is not just for you to run. It is the community, what you think, who will take along with him. He's going to run 4,000 kilometers. After that, 4,000 from 76 lakhs. Now the responsibility is for the entire India to run along with him. Maybe people outside India also. That is where I think Vrishal comes in picture. Normally in these kind of events, the companies from the core manufacturing never see. So that itself, seeing Losma here, supporting such a great cause. If you can just explain.
Sure, Hari, thanks. As you know, Losma is in the business of providing machinery, air filtration machinery, which is used for purifying air and providing a clean and productive environment for industrial workers. That's our core competence and core activity. Now, when this idea of low to high came by, it seemed like something that really gelled with the ethos of our business, with our core values of Losma, what it does on a day-to-day basis. Now, the whole logic over here was we are working towards health, environment, but however pertaining to the industrial staff. So there we are probably touching upon lives of a few thousand people or a couple of thousand people, few lakh people for that matter. But when this initiative came by, this looked like an opportunity where we can go beyond the people whom we are currently touching lives of and promote fitness, spread positivity. I mean, this is one important point which I'd like to, just add, that fitness, getting into fitness also leads to a lot of positivity. So this looked like a very good activity for us to get engaged with, associated with, because here we are in a position to actually support an activity which will go beyond what we are currently doing and touch millions of lives potentially. So we jumped on the idea and we backed Ashish, we backed Low to High, and we are really excited to be part of it, not only as partners, but we are encouraging our own staff, we are encouraging our own vendors, customers also, to be part of this by having their own corporate teams, even family teams, like Ashish mentioned some time ago, that even families can form their own team within the Low to High platform. And you, for example, Hari, you can have a team with you on board, your wife, people from back home. Y'all can have a collective target which will contribute to this 76 lakh kilometers.
76.
So I think it's something that it's a community initiative that we are really excited to be part of, and the end goal, I think, is for everyone to be happy and healthy.
So I must thank you, Vishal, because I was following your social media page of Losma, and I think you already started promoting this. So that made me to come and meet Ashish. Actually, great, inspiring. The kind of work. It's a thankless job, first of all, but that people like you really change the entire world. The people around you, the community, what you are building. So what is it that you will be trying to do to change this perception in the manufacturing sector?
So as I said, we are trying to push, we are encouraging people to be part of this, experience it. See, it requires you to take the first step. Okay, there, as Ashish, rightly mentioned earlier, there is a community, there is a certain section of our society which is next Monday society, where everything has to begin after, we'll start something on next Monday, or after a project gets over, or when my vacation starts, something on, something like that. So here we are actually having a target. When you give a target to someone, when you actually take a target upon yourself, that is when you are more encouraged to take the first step. And I think this we are trying to push amongst our, as I said, the entire ecosystem that we work in, the vendors, the customers, staff members, trying to push our staff members to encourage their family members to be on board. So I think the more number of people get associated with this will not only contribute to the 76 lakh kilometers, but I think they'll all be contributing to their own wellness and happiness.
And, I think that will be a real change. See, I also identify with you. Like Monday, we will start from Monday kind of people, which is somewhere I am sure that many people will identify with that. We need to do something. Now today, when you see this, you are going to check in www.lowtohigh.in, and there you can log in and register for this particular event, not as individuals as well as a team, as Vishal was telling, and put some target for yourself as well as for your company. Machine Maker is going to get their team and going to participate, and you people are inspiring us for that. Same way, all the people from the industry should make a team and contribute and make on 76th Independence Day, achieve not 76 lakhs, it should go much beyond.
Absolutely. And I think if everybody joins in, it's going to be easy. When we discuss about it, see, initially it sounds a difficult number because 76 lakhs kilometers. But when we start talking, we feel that it is possible, it is achievable, because there are so many families. Because of WhatsApp, there are so many 92 bat, 95 bat, whatever, everybody is together. So people are coming closer and we can achieve this target.
All the very best.
Thank you very much. So I think before we end, we must say our punchline, and that's be together.
Be together.
Achieve together.
Achieve together.
Celebrate together.
Celebrate together.
हम
हम fit तो भारत fit.